Hello guys, welcome to this session. So today I will be discussing about Six Sigma. So what is Six Sigma? So guys, Six Sigma is nothing but a powerful set of statistical and management tools and methodologies that can be used to create a dynamic increase in customer satisfaction, productivity, as well as shareholder value. So Six Sigma is nothing but a powerful set. Okay, it is statistical and management tools. Okay, so which can increase, which we actually it is mainly used in business purposes. Okay, so they used is for their productivity, customer satisfaction, as well as shareholder value. It also reduce costs. Okay, so it is basically based on improving process targeting. Okay, it is based on improving process targeting. Okay, and reduces variation in a business organization. All right, so Six Sigma is basically a powerful set through which we can improve our business. Okay, so this Six Sigma has brought a great success in different companies and very renowned companies that are Motorola, GE, Johnson and Johnson, Allied Signal, Xerox, etc. Okay, so this Six Sigma has brought great success in these companies as well. And firstly, it has been started in Motorola. Okay, Motorola company first started this Six Sigma, and but it received the acclaim by Jake Welch at GE, a worker in GE, that is Jake Welch. Okay, it received the international acclaim when Jake Welch at GE began touting it as an approach to save billions of dollars for his company. Okay, so first it was started by Motorola company, Six Sigma. The Six Sigma set is first started by Motorola company, but it received the international acclaim by GE. Okay, GE company, and many more companies has used this Six Sigma set, that is Johnson, Allied Signal, Xerox, etc. Okay, so guys, generally we indicate the Sigma mark as this one, that is this. Okay, this indicates Sigma. So Sigma is used to basically, Sigma is used to measure or determine dispersion or variation. Okay, and it describes how far data deviates from the average. Sigma also describes how far this data deviates from the average. Like, it is used to determine whether the performance performed by the organization is good or bad. Okay. So this sigma measures how many mistakes a process makes in delivering the output. Okay, how many mistakes a process makes in delivering the output, and the level of this Six Sigma is 6. Okay, the level of sigma is 6. Okay, and from 1 to 6, okay, we measure, it is a standard measure for measuring the performance of the process. Is it good or is it bad? All right. So see, for this sigma, 6 is an extremely high standard performance. When we are denoting 6 sigma, we are denoting that particular process has a high level or extremely high standard performance. Say if you are making 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Similarly, 1 sigma says, if you are saying 1 sigma, it is like you are making 7 lakhs mistakes per million opportunities, and most of the companies standard measure is 2 sigma to 3 sigma. Okay, so if you measure, that will be from 2 sigma to 3 sigma. So that is all for today's class. Thank you so much.